Ignore service request. I think the windshield wipers will hold for another hour or so.
Gunner pod activated. Stand by for mission briefing.
Attention crew. The Seven have intercepted communications from Geno intended for Dr. Sloane. We believe the Imagined Order's weapon system will reach critical mass sooner than expected. If we don't stop it now, all life on the island will be destroyed. Leading the mission will be the finest mech captain in all reality. She'll be behind the controls. You and your team will be on weapons. The bridge is yours, Paradigm.
Weapons team, listen up. Today, we're gonna put an end to the Imagined Order. For good. Our target is their weapon system, the Collider. Ground team, status.
Ground team standing by. We'll have those shields down by the time you reach the island. After all, they do call me the Legend.
Copy that. Stand by to engage launch sequence. Crew to battle stations. Weapon system's hot. Now clear us a path through those rocks.
Collision warning.
Prepare for evasive maneuvers. Here we go. Prepare for re-entry. I'm taking her down. Don't have much time to hit the collider. Clear a path. I'll get us there. Legend? I thought you were on the case.
Yeah, nothing we can't handle. Just as soon as we figure it out, we'll handle it. Yep, what he said.
Warning. High energy
power to Heartbreaker. Perfect strike.
Threat eliminated. Airborne threat detected.
Take out those missiles. We're letting too many through.
Life support system critical.
Paradigm, come in. Do you copy?
Copy. Ugh, we're down. All systems damaged. We're not going anywhere without repairs.
Don't worry, I know a guy. It's your time to shine, buddy.
It's worth a shot. Divert power to emergency recovery system. I can't believe this is working. Really for the win. We are back online. The collider's charging up. We gotta move. Brutes are the worst. Take them out.
We've eliminated the shields! The collider's exposed.
We're on our way. Light blade activated. I'll take out the blimp. You focus on the ground forces. All enemy forces have been eliminated. This is our chance. Divert power to blade strike.
Seismic target detected.
Hold on! Eject! Eject! Eject!
Power loss detected. Fuel systems offline. Weapon systems offline.
Can you hear me?
Life support critical.
Anybody hurt? Come on your feet, let's go. I don't think Sloane's too happy we're here.
I see you, Joe.
And she has a tank, so we gotta go. Stay down and follow me. Incoming fire!
You can't hide from me forever, Jones.
Help me take out those guards!
Systems at 45%.
Zero point touches the crystals at the top of the collider. Everything ends.
The 0 point shifting realities. Keep your distance. Unless you want to go wherever that is.
Let's move.
No one leaves until all threats are eliminated. Take them out!
Incoming!
I got it! Hey! Over here! Teamwork! High five!
60% and climbing. Come on, come on!
You just don't know when to quit. But I'm glad you're here. I finally get a chance to finish what I started.
Yes! Coming back online!
Copy that. Jones, buy us some time.
Wait! Hold your fire. Sloane! You don't have to do this!
Always so dramatic. Any last words, Jones?
Look out?
I, thought you could use a hand.
Welcome back, Paradigm.
Who is that?
The 0 point is focused on Geno. This is our best chance to find him.
Let's go!
Alright, it's up to you now. We don't have much time. Those crystals will detonate the 0 point. Take them out. Zero point's almost to the top. Last one. That's it. We did it. Don't worry, I got you.